Python tutorials. My name is Srinivas. In this video, I am going to discuss about classes and objects in Python. Classes and objects. Class and object. Now here, what is class and what is object? Class and objects are the OOP concepts in Python. Object-oriented programming concepts in Python. What is object-oriented programming concept? First of all, object-oriented programming means a program divided into classes. A program divided into smaller units. A program divided into smaller units. These units are called classes. A program divided into smaller units. These units are called classes. These units are called classes. That's the OOP concept. Now here, class and object. Now what is class? What is class? What is object? First of all, in this session, I am going to discuss. First point is what is class? What is class? Class means a collection of variables, and functions together into a single unit. This unit is called class. This unit is called a class. Here guys, up here, a collection of variables and functions. In Python classes, functions is also called as a methods. Functions are methods, both are same. Functions are methods. In other concepts, functions. In OOP concept, function is called as a method. A collection of variables and methods together in a single unit. This unit is called as a class. Now, the declaration syntax of class is that means to create a class. The declaration syntax of class is class and the class name colon symbol, and we are using the list of variables and list of methods. This is called as a the declaration syntax of the class is a list of variables and a list of methods together into a single unit. This unit is called as a class. Clear guys up here? Class is a keyword. Class name is a user-defined word. Any name, any user-defined word. Here, what is class? Here, first one here, class is a keyword. Class is a keyword. It's a built-in word. Class name is a name of the class. Name of the user-defined class. Name of the user-defined class. And list of variables. Now, list of variables is a variables. List of variables means number of variables present in the given class. List of variables is a number of variables. Okay. Number of variables in a given class. The fourth one is a list of methods. Means is a methods declared and used in the given class. This is a complete class syntax. Class is a user-defined word. Is a user-defined built-in word. Class name is user-defined word. All the list of variables, all the list of methods. This is complete syntax of the class. Clear, guys? Okay. And next, for example, we are declaring a one class. The class is class syntax is example one. The class syntax is, for example, any one class. Class is a keyword. Okay, write the keyword. The class name is a user-defined word. For example, the class name is sample. Okay, now here the example one is to declare a class. A class with variables only. Without function, without methods, only variable. To declare a class with variables only. For example, the class name is sample colon symbol. Only variable. One variable is a value equal to 8. For example, the b value equal to that's clear. This is a class. Only list of variables. To creating a class only for the list of variables. These are the one variable A and one variable B. These two variables are the class level variables. These two variables are called class level variables. Evaluate and b value 5. Here we are using accessing the variables sample sample dot a, access the variable, and sample dot b, sample dot b, sample dot b. So we are using the variables sample dot a value and sample dot b value. So for example, we are using print function, print of sample dot a. We are using the print function, print of sample dot a value and sample dot b. Example one, to declare a class with variables only, with variables only. This is example one. And here another example, another example, to declare a class, to declare a class, to declare a class with to declare a class with methods only, methods only. To declare a class only, methods only. For example, the class name is sample, only methods. Def, the method or function def m1 is a method one, is a method one. Third parameters, so print some value. I am method one. I am method one of sample class, of the sample class. This is the first one. Here, guys. And now the second point, second example is to declare a class with methods only. To declare a class with methods only. So this is the first method. Again, the next one, def method, second method. Okay, print of I am method two. I am method two of sample class. I am method two of sample class. This is the example. Yeah. Now we can call the methods. We can call the methods within the class. How to call? How to class? Sample.m1 to call the method. Here, this part is the definition part. This part is the declaration part, and this part is the definition part. And we are call the method. The call method is sample.m1, and call the method is sample.m2. Execute the m1 method and then execute the method. Now, right, I am explaining each and every point with programming. With programming, for example, go to the Python, IDLE, open some one file and write the class, declaring the class. Now here declaring the class is sample. Okay, colon symbol. class name is sample, colon symbol. And for example, the a value equal to 8 and the b value equal to 5. These are the only here to declare a class. Here to declare a class only variables. To declare a class only variables. Here to declare a class only for variables. Here, for example, sample dot a value. Again, the sample dot b. That means here class name. Syntax is class name dot member name. Class name dot member name. Here the member is a. Here the member is a. Member means method and variable. And the b is a member. Class name is a sample dot the member name. Member name is a. And the class name is a sample. Member name is b. And before we want to print the values, print dot a. Again, if you want to print the values, for example, print of sample.b and run this module, to run after clearing, run this module and print the value of the sample a, 8 and again, once again run the module, go to run and run module. Here, sample of a, this is the sample of a. Now the sample of a value is 8, sample of b value is 5. We want to print, for example, print of sample.a value into sample.b value. Sample.b value. To access the value of a, and to access the value of b, sample.a into sample.b and run this module, sample.8, 5 and the demonstrating the value equal to up to 5 values. Clear, guys? Okay. This is creating a class with variables. And the next one is another example. Okay, to create a class, third example, to declare a class, with variables, and methods. With variables and methods, both. What is a class? A class means a collection of variables. Class means a collection of methods. Now here, to declare a class with variables and methods, Okay, now the class name is sample. Class name is sample or test or some anyone, or the class name is rectangle. The class name is rectangle. The class name is rectangle or the sample class sample. Here we are using a value equal to 8, the b value equal to 5, and def, for example, add of some method, add method. So now here print of Okay, sample.a plus sample.b. Here we are using sample.add function is called with the variables and methods. We are using with variables and methods. Now run this module. Now here run this module, creating a class. Okay, with variables, variables and methods. And now here we are using. So now the add is a add of a value and b value. Now here call the method and run it. And we are using a class C missing and declaring the class C as a keyword for the print of the addition of the two numbers. Now here some message addition of sum of class level variables. We are using sum of class level variables. Okay. To find the sum of the class level variables equal to comma sample.a plus sample.b value. You have to find the sum of the class level variables and run the module to create a class with variables and methods to find the value. Now here this is to creating a class in object-oriented programming in Python. This is the complete syntax of the class. And first example is to create a class only variables. Second example is to create a class with only methods. And the third one is to create a class with variables and methods. The concept is creating a class. Third means to declare a class. Create a class in Python. To create a class in Python. Here guys? Okay. To create a class or to declare a class in Python. How to declare a class in Python. Okay guys? Thank you very much for watching this video. Thank you very much.